Hey, what's up? It's Jason. I'm back, and today we are going to start working on the Keggle. Now, the first thing you have to do with the Keggle is get a keg, number one, and then we got to get that top off. I'm going to make one for a hot liquor tank, and I'm going to have another one for a boil kettle. But first off, let's take a look right down here at this keg and show you what you got to do. I cheated, did a little bit of this already, but we'll go down here. Okay. Okay, so first off, little ring here. You want to depress this thing, and I would suggest tilting the keg over on the side and pushing in the little ball that's up here and releasing all the CO2 pressure that was left in there. And make sure you do it on the side because it's probably going to spew beer at you or whatever nasty substance may still be left in there. Anyways, after that, I've already done it, but take this, pry that little ring off that keeps it in there, and then you're going to bang this little spout out, and boom, there's your little shaft there, your little pickup tube. We don't need this, so let's set that off to the side. Okay, now what we want to do is cut this off. How are we going to do that? Okay, well, here's my solution. All right, check this out. This is an angle grinder. Okay, stainless cutting bit on here, or disc on here. This is a 1 1/4 inch coupling PVC for joining a couple pipes together, and I just took and notched it out. Right here, I'm not doing very good showing you this, but I notched that out, drilled a hole on the side, attached a zip tie. I left them under so you can see it. This one just to kind of hold it in place. I kind of marked it where I want, and we're going to spin this sucker right in the middle, and we're going to cut that top off slow and steady. Now, what I did is on the Keggle here, I have it sitting on a lazy Susan so I can spin it around so my cord doesn't have to get all messed up. So what we're going to do is, first of all, safety up. Got to get our safety glasses on. We're going to cut, and this part of the video I'll probably put some music on over you so you don't have to hear this bullshit. But you're going to watch and see how we do it. That's sit right in there, and that's going to start cutting around. So without further ado, let's cut this bitch. Thinking about safety, I forgot my hearing protection. Let's take a pause and I'm going to get some hearing protection. Okay, I'm back and got my hearing protection, my eye protection, and we're ready to roll. Let's get this thing going. Safety first, fellas. Boom! All right, there she be. I could have used a better blade there, but unfortunately, it's what I had left there. Anyways, that's how you cut the top of your keg off. Took a little longer than expected, but don't worry, you probably got through it faster because I sped up the video. You're welcome. All right, well, until then, peace out. Stay tuned to video 2, where we go ahead and install the sight glass, thermometer, and a ball valve. All right, and that will be our Keggle build. But for now, I'm going to take a break. So remember to like this video, comment, subscribe, and any questions you have, leave them in the comments. I'll get back to you and I'll do the best I can. We're in this journey together, brother. Happy brewing.